rich literature and their adaptation to screen is nothing new. And now with massive impact of platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar and others which have a significant impact on content viewing, more and more content from books are being made into web series and films. There are talks like popular books like Cobalt Blue, which is one of my personal favorite, The Anarchy, which has characters like Haider Ali, Sirajuddaulah, is being made into content for screen. We have also seen the immense popularity of content like Scam 1992, The Suitable Boy, The White Tiger, When Dimple Met Rishi, which is named as Mismatch, which is there on Netflix, are being watched by more and more viewers. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha. Herein I make content on books, life, career and personal growth. In today's video, I will talk about 10 books that are written by Indian authors which could be good screen adaptation. So directors, please watch this video because this video can be a good source of information for your forthcoming projects. Jokes apart, if you are new to my channel, do hit the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. The first book that I would like to talk in this particular video is The Lowland by Jhumpa Lahiri, which was the winner of Pulitzer Prize. I have a full video of The Lowland by Jhumpa Lahiri in my videos and I will put the link in the description section below as well as in the cards over here. The Lowland is the story of two brothers, Udayan and Subhash. Udayan dies as he was a part of Naxalite movement of early 70s of Bengal. Now, how the life of Udayan impacts the life of the other family member, be his newly wed, now widowed wife Gauri, Subhash and their parents, is the story of Lowland. Lowland has been beautifully written tale in Kolkata, Rhode Island and California. The entire story is a tale of 30 to 40 years. Jhumpa Lahiri mesmerizes the reader by her style of storytelling and I am a total fan of her writing style. This book I read during the beginning of this year 2020 and while reading this particular book, I thought if an actor like Konkona Sen Sharma or Rani Mukherjee can play this character of Gauri, then true justice will be done to this sort of character. If you have read Lowland, then what are your views on this opinion of mine? Do share your feedback in the comment section. The book that I would like to talk in this particular video is Erotic Stories for Punjabi Widows by Bali Kaul Jaiswal. In this particular book, a young girl in her early 20s named Nikki, who is born in a Punjabi family but raised and brought up in UK, is asked to educate complete illiterate widow women who reside in Southall, UK, and the classes would take place in a Langar Khana in Gurdwara located at Southall. Will Nikki be successful in this particular attempt? What hurdles she has to face is what you will read in this particular book, Erotic Stories for Punjabi Widows, and I tell you this book is unputdownable, filled with satire and humor from first till the last. And for the role of Nikki, I think nobody can do justice other than Alia Bhatt for this particular role, and if ever it is made into a film. Where is Karan Johar? Karan Johar should also think about it. The third book that I would like to talk in this particular video is Baaz by Anuja Chauhan. It's a very, very popular book and some time back I had heard that YRF, that is Yash Raj Films, have taken the rights of this particular book, Baaz by Anuja Chauhan, but haven't heard anything since then. Now, Baaz is the story of MiG Air Force fighter pilot Ishan along with his buddies Maddie and Rax, and they are fighting the Mukti Alliance, which was war against Mukti Bahini Alliance, which was the 1971 war of India-Pakistan. During their time in army, Ishan meets bathing beauty Tehmina Dadi Seth. This particular woman, who is the sister of a dead army officer, asks or rather questions Ishan on nationalism. An interesting tale in itself. Baaz is again a book. If you read it, you feel the Hindi film vibes while reading this particular book. And I think if ever this content is made into a film, then Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal will be ideal pair to play as Ishan and Tahmina. What do you think? If you have read this book, do share your opinion who you think can be ideal pair for playing the lead characters from this particular book, Baz. The next book that I would like to talk in this particular video is Milk Teeth by Amrita Mahale, which was the contender for JCB Prize for Literature in 2019. Milk Teeth is the story of Ira and Karthik, who were childhood buddies who lived in Matunga, Mumbai during the 90s. While reading this particular book, it has a resemblance with 90s Mumbai, especially Matunga, when you turn the pages of this particular book. And if you are a Mumbaiker, then, and if you have stayed in Mumbai in some part of your life, then you will definitely find this book little bit relatable. At least I did found. Milk Teeth is a simple written tale, but is a complex story. For the role of Ira, I think Bhumi Pednekar would be perfect. Ira today is a reporter in a civic beat, fighting against corruption and also trying to push back her lost love. For the role of Karthik, I have 2-3 people in my mind. They are Farhan Akhtar or it can be Fawad Khan, because Karthik today is a corporate guy. And I thought these two actors can definitely do justice to this character of Karthik. If you have read Milk Teeth, then who do you think would fit for the shoot for the role of Ira and Karthik? Do mention in the comment section below. The link of all the books that I have mentioned in each of my videos, and also this particular video, the Amazon affiliate link of all these books are given in the description section below. If you want to read any of these books after watching my videos, then do buy it from the link given in the description section below, because if you do so, then I get a small percentage as commission from Amazon affiliate link. Now let's get back to the video once again. The next book that I would like to talk in this particular video is Hungry Tide by Amitav Ghosh. This particular tale is a contemporary story of uncanny love, of identity, of adventure. This story is set across Sundarban, where life of people residing there is extremely tough and difficult. People are eaten by man-eating tigers. Flood is a common feature during the rain. It is the journey of a young marine biologist, P.R. Roy, of Indian descent, but who is stubbornly American, who has come to Sundarban in search of an endangered rare species of river dolphin. What installs Pia and her life aftermath is this beautiful tale, The Hungry Tide, written by Amitav Ghosh. And for this particular role of P.R. Roy, I think Deepika Padukone can be the best fit. The next book that I would like a screen adaptation is A Princess Remembered, Memoirs of Maharani of Jaipur, Gayatri Devi. I have a full review of this particular book, both in my blog, Book Tales by Preetha, as well as I have done a video review of this particular book. I will put the link of both in the description section below, as well as the video link I will put somewhere over here. Now, this particular book is the tale of Maharani Gayatri Devi, a woman who was once recognized by Vogue magazine to be the most beautiful woman of the world. It is her life story. It is her story with her love life with Maharaja of Jaipur, Jai Singh. And for this particular role, I think nobody could be more suitable than Miss World Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. And for playing the Maharaja of Jaipur, Jai Singh, I think Manoj Vajpayee can do justice, because long back there was a film called Zubeda where I had seen Manoj Vajpayee had played a similar role like this, and so it is his name which came into my mind while thinking about the male character. What do you think? Share your feedback in the comments section. I would be waiting for your comments in the feedback section. Book of which I would like to have a screen adaptation is The Ministry of Utmost Romance by Arundhati Roy. This book is a very complex tale. The narration is descriptive. It has got too many plots and subplots. Anjum is an intersect who prefers to work as an hijra. There are characters like Tilottama and her love angle with Musa, who is a terrorist. And for Anjum's character, in today's Bollywood actors, I think Tabu can do justice to this particular role. For the character of Tilottama, I think Sayami Kher can be good choice, and for the role of Musa, why not go with Jim Saral? They can make a perfect and a rare combination, something which will be definitely a treat when it comes in terms of performance orientation. What do you think? The Glass Palace by Amitabh Ghosh is the next book, which I think a screen adaptation can be a good option. Set in 1885, when the British invaded Burma, this is the tale of a young boy called Rajkumar, who has been seen everything bad in life due to social and political chaos. This boy sets up an empire in the midst of the Burmese teak forest and makes a factory. But when the soldier puts the member of the royal family out of their glass palace, and sends them to exile, Rajkumar is losing his love interest, Dolly, a young woman in the court of the Burmese queen. Years later, Rajkumar goes back to Burma in search of his lost love. This is a beautifully written tale by Amitabh Ghosh, and I think, I'm not very sure, Abhishek Bachchan and Taapsee Pannu can be a good option for these characters. Minded, I'm not very sure. It is something that came into my mind and I just told, if ever a screen adaptation of this particular book is. The next book that I will talk, and from the moment I have read this particular book, I thought this could be a perfect web series. This is not a very popular book. I received this book for a review in 2019. The book in question is Nobody's Child by Kanchana Banerjee, and let me tell you the plot of this particular book. A young woman is found on the streets of Mumbai, dazed and covered in wounds. Her mind is clearly addled by drugs. She tells a TV journalist that she is the famous singer Asavri Bhattacharya, the 2016 winner of reality TV show Indian Koil. But as far as the world knows, Ashavri died in a car accident soon after her win. Her body was cremated, her body mourned by whole nation. As the news spreads like wildfire, press and public begin clamoring for answers. How can Ashavri be alive? And if this is indeed the real Ashavri, then who was cremated 3 years ago? And who is behind what happened to her? Is it Tanya, the first runner-up, who wore the victor's crown after Ashavri was declared dead? Or Rudra, Ashavri's ex-husband? Or it is Kamini Devi, the glamorous MP with sinister plan? Or Avnin, the film journalist who shot to fame by writing Ashavri's biography soon after her death? Interesting, isn't it? This book, again, another piece of literature which is unputdownable. At least that is what happened in my case. And here, the majority of the story is told from Avnil's point of view. So, to play Avnil's role as a film journalist, I think somebody like Saif Ali Khan can be a good choice. For the role of Ashavri, I think somebody like, whom should I say, Deepika Padukone can be an option. Here also, Kamini Devi, who is a glamorous MP, who has a grey image, is very pivotal for this particular book. And I think somebody like Urmila Matondkar can be a good choice. What say? Now, these are all my assumptions and presumptions, but you know, this is a very, very good book. This is an underrated book. So if you get a chance, do read this particular book. I'm sure you will enjoy. The last book that I would like to talk over here is Kunal Basu's Sarojini's Mother. I've already spoken about this particular book in one of my earlier videos. I will put the link of that particular video in the description as well as in the cards over here. Sarojini Campbell has come to India in search of her original mother. She has been adopted by a hippie mother and is raised in England. She has studied in Cambridge, and her brain works like a mathematician's when it comes to solving puzzle. The story is set in Kolkata, India. In her desperate search to find her actual mother, she meets a Elvis Presley look-alike. For the role of Sarojini, I think some younger generation actor like Ananya Pandey or Janvi Kapoor can be a good option. And for, I don't know, Elvis Presley look-alike, will you get someone for the Indian screen? But if, I think Arjun Rampal can be a good choice. But yes, there will be a distant age difference between the things. So whom do you think can suit this Elvis Presley look-alike thing? Again, a very good book by Kunal Basu. Do read this book. I'm sure you will enjoy it. And these are my recommendation for all the 10 books by Indian authors, which I think can make for a good adaptation to screen. How do you like today's video? What do you think about today's content? Do mention in the comment section below. And if you have watched my video till the end, then do hit the like button, because if you hit the like button and if you share your feedback in the comment section, it is only then small YouTubers like us grow. So we ask you wholeheartedly to subscribe the channel, to share it with your friends and relatives, and to promote book reading content, because reading is something that is getting lost not only in our generation but also in the next generation to come. And if you want to know more about Book Tales by Preetha, you can join Book Tales by Preetha in the Facebook group by the name Book Tales by Preetha. I have an Instagram handle by the name Book Tales by Preetha. As I have told, the link of all the books that I mentioned in my videos are given in the description section below. And you can follow me on Twitter, which is @PreethaSharkar18. I will see you soon with another video in the coming week. Thanks for watching this particular video, and Tata and goodbye.